Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be like an introduction video. This is my niece Ashley. You guys probably recognize her from my homecoming makeup tutorial that I filmed last year, I think it was. This video, I think it was longer than a few months. This video is going to be uploaded on both of our channels. Excuse the lighting, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and if you see like any shadows, it's actually the ceiling fan. There's my sister from Style You Forever coming in. Basically what I'm here to do is the reason why I'm going to put this on my channel as well is just because Ashley has no subscribers yet, because her YouTube channel is completely brand new, so I thought out of my subscribers, maybe you guys can go to her channel and check her out. Be sure to subscribe. She's going to do a lot of things. She's very versatile, so she'll have makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, nail tutorials. She makes clothes, she sews, product reviews, like anything beauty related. Basically everything I do and everything Michelle does, but she sews
makeup,
too.
fashion, everything in one, because I'm very versatile.
Yeah, so it's going to be really, really cool. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to her videos when she makes a video. Once again, this will be uploaded on both of our channels, so if you guys see me here on my channel, go to the underbar below and click her channel. The link will, the link will be below. And please subscribe to her. She will not disappoint you guys. She's super fun. She's a little shy right now.
Yeah.
She's on the camera for the first time. But you guys should totally subscribe to her. Do you have any words about Ashley? Michelle?
Oh yeah, hi.
I better be good.
I might look like a wreck right now, but yeah. Ashley is super talented. She's 17 and basically she does like sewing, and if you see her bags that she makes bags
purses
and
too.
purses and all kinds of versatile stuff. You'll see sometimes where she take an old pair of jeans and make them into a brand new skirt. So yeah, she's really great. She's really learning how to do her eyeshadow, how to do a traditional smoky eye, eyeliner, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, gotta go. Talk to you guys later.
Okay, so I guess that's really about it. Like I said, if you're watching this on my channel, go to the underbar below and click her link and subscribe to her. If you're watching this on her channel, subscribe to me, and yeah, vice versa, the other way around. So yeah, I guess we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.